pound fell yesterday following the interest rate decision from the Bank of England, as well as that the fact that there is a division now. There is 2 members that voted for a rate cut. Carney cited downside risks because of Brexit, and also at the same time they downgraded the forecast for GDP and inflation for 2020. So everything is actually looking to the downside for the pound as we speak. On dollar yen hits like a May high also. That is because of the trade progress, trade talks or hopes, let's say, after seeing headlines that the US is considering rolling back previously imposed tariffs on China in order to progress with phase 1 of this potential trade deal. And the thing is that both want to have a phase 1 down on paper by the end of this week. It might be too short of notice to get down onto the details, but we should be hearing about the documented phase 1 fairly soon. Now on pound, we're moving exactly as we expected. We ended the ABC correction down here, and then we start with intermediate wave 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, right? We've done the first, second, third, and we are now actually at wave 4, okay? And from here, we're looking at most likely we'll have an ABC, then X, that could be another ABC over here. Okay, we could go into a WXY double Y pattern around 127, which is also the extension, 161 extension of the first wave, right? So we could have a double zigzag over here. And the truth is that that's most likely to be the case. I mean, unless if we just get a rejection over here at this level and then start moving up, but that wouldn't really look at anything. I mean, if we turn into a flat, we'll have 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that could be the case, although that might not be really a good range to call this a flat. However, since we are on wave 4, we could see a more complicated pattern. Okay, we could see some sort of contraction and then prices to move to the upside, looking for medium-term target at least the 132. Now dollar yen, quickly. On dollar yen, we're moving as well as we are, as we were planning, as we were projecting. We had wave 3, 4, and 5 down here. This is where also the minor degree ended, and also the intermediate wave C, if not mistaken. So we went for 1, 2, and currently we are at the midst of wave 3. That can go up to 113. Okay. Some would say up to 110 or so, which is the 100 Fibonacci extension, but that would be very small of a wave 3. So assuming that wave 5 would also be small, like 61.8%, and this one is already bigger than that, that would make wave 3 smaller than wave 5 and 1. So I think this is going to be a wave 3 ending around 113 or so, minor, right? Intermediate, sorry. Which means that the minor wave that we currently are, we've had the first move to the upside, then a correction, and we'll move impulsively with the first wave over here, which is a minute. 2, we're probably going for 3, 4, and 5. This is going to be wave 3, then we will see a correction, and then another move to the upside to complete minor impulse, and at the same time intermediate impulse, and then we should see a correction down to 4, potentially down to minor 4 level, and then one last move to the upside around 150 to complete this pattern. Now, of course, we are far from that. okay? In the short term, dollar yen looks impulsive, and since it looks like we're going to break above that level, this is a false break indeed, I would be looking at 110 at least next, okay? This is quite impulsive. This is the first wave of small minuet move. It's likely to move around 110. Then we should see a correction down here and then move back up again. Now, on both pairs, pound and dollar yen, we don't see much on biases on the indicators, and that seems to suggest that prices are going to continue with the current direction of the trend.